Hello, friends. Great day to all of you. So, friends, I have good news this evening. There are several new tax breaks that will help millions of low-income households this year as inflation continues to impact the United States. But there is a new deadline for all eligible Americans to take action by if you would like to receive extra relief cash this year. The Biden administration has also confirmed what steps they will be taking to address inflation. Friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all these new details. Also, to say thank you for watching every day, I'm giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Please enter the giveaways by clicking and then liking several of my videos, and also commenting below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways.
You know, the Democrats came to these mics and, oh, the world's coming to an end, there's going to be a recession, none of it was true. And they knew it wasn't true. Even their own economists said it wasn't true. You had some of the greatest growth in U.S. history, some of the fastest closing of income inequality. The poor got dramatically less poor, but you also saw GDP around the world. And look, when I'm holding articles like this about how many may die this coming fall because of food shortages, that's not the Democrats. But the Democrats' inaction is their fault. They run this place. They run the House, they run the Senate, they run the White House. And instead, the White House, along with the Democrats here, decide, hey, let's burn some more ethanol by taking our food, our grain supply, and instead of doing the rotation and saying we need, the idiocy of this place is they were willing to sacrifice people around the world. The cruelty.
The deadline for Maryland residents to claim the student loan debt relief tax credit worth up to $1,000 is fast approaching. Eligible residents have until September 15th to apply for this credit, which is aimed at easing the financial toll of going to college. To qualify, applicants must have filed their 2021 Maryland state income taxes and have amassed a student loan of at least $20,000 while maintaining $5,000 or more in unpaid debt. Students are not required to have graduated to receive this credit, and individuals who went to an out-of-state college or university may receive a smaller credit than those who attended an in-state college. The credit must be used to alleviate student loan debt, otherwise they may have to repay it. The National Economic Council Deputy Director offered further insight into what the application process will look like. He said that the application will become available for federal borrowers in early October, and borrowers can expect to see relief 4 to 6 weeks after they submit their applications. He told reporters students are advised to apply by roughly November 15th in order to receive relief before the payment pause expires on December 31st, 2022. So, dear friends, what are your thoughts on President Biden's student loan forgiveness announcement? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Tens of millions of Americans are eligible for student loan forgiveness, but you might have to pay state taxes. According to the Tax Foundation, Massachusetts is one of 13 states in the U.S. where you might have to pay taxes on the loans that were forgiven. But Governor Baker said it's not set in stone. The reason why you might be taxed by the state on this is that when you have a debt forgiven, it can count as income. The American Rescue Plan Act does have provisions that student loan forgiveness between 2021 and 2025 does not count as federal taxable income. However, Massachusetts is listed as one of 13 states with the ability to tax it. Consumers who have been squeezed by higher prices may be experiencing a little relief. According to a new report, as of July, 59% of Americans said they lived paycheck to paycheck, down from 61% in June, but still higher than a year ago, when the number of adults who felt stretched too thin was 54%. Lower income workers have been the hardest hit by price spikes this year, especially for food and other staples, since those expenses account for a bigger share of the budget. Roughly 3/4 of consumers annually earning less than $50,000, and 63% of those earning between $50,000 and $100,000 were living paycheck to paycheck during the month of July. Friends, the keyword for this video is North Carolina. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is North Carolina, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And friends, please make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Remember, friends, the more videos that you watch and then leave a comment on, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways. The report found that even though top earners have also been struggling to make ends meet, wealthier Americans feel less financially strained. Of those earning $200,000 or more, about 30% reported living paycheck to paycheck. That is down from 36% the previous month. Recent signs that inflation has passed its peak and may be cooling off is welcome news for cash-strapped Americans. July's Consumer Price Index report finally showed that prices that consumers pay for a variety of goods and services started to ease after average gas prices fell below $4 for the first time since March and are now down $3.85 per gallon. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, as a result, real inflation adjusted average hourly earnings for the month rose 0.5%. But there is still a financial difficult road ahead. Still, more than half of all U.S. consumers struggle to afford their day-to-day lifestyle, which is forcing some to rely more on credit cards or dip into savings, making them financially vulnerable. The Federal Reserve is raising interest rates to further slow inflation, which is still near its highest level since the early 1980s. The United States Central Bank has indicated more increases are coming until there are clear signs of a pullback. Well, my beautiful and fabulous friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you, dear friends, for watching all of my videos. I greatly appreciate every single one of you. Thank you once again and have a wonderful and blessed Monday.